We've got to give Roger, the plastic Fiesta, some TLC. So today we're going to be fitting some new front brake pads. After cracking off the wheel bolts, we jacked up the car, lowered it onto some axle stands and then removed both front wheels. Then, to allow the pistons in the brake calipers to be wound back, we removed the cap from the brake fluid reservoir. With the retaining clip removed from the driver's side caliper, I then located the 2 bolts that I needed to undo, which were hidden behind these caps. I used an Allen key socket to undo the bolts and then a screwdriver to slide them out of the way. I pulled the caliper away from the disc and placed it onto an axle stand, and then I was able to remove the brake pads.
Couple of 1,000 miles left on these cat.
I cleaned everything up with some brake cleaner and a wire brush, and then I put a little bit of copper grease on the brake pad where it slides within the caliper. The new thicker pad wouldn't fit in the caliper without winding the piston back, which I did with a G-clamp. Then I was able to press the pad in. The other pad was then greased up and put into position, and then I was able to slide the caliper back over the brake disc, refit the 2 bolts and the retaining clip and the dust covers for the bolts. With the passenger side also done, it was time to clean up the brake discs with brake cleaner, refit the wheels, refit the brake fluid reservoir cap, and then we tested the brakes before lowering the car back down and making sure that the wheel bolts were tight.
Right, now no harsh braking for at least 200 miles. So that means don't let any idiots drive the car. Not including me, obviously.